In this video, you will learn how to use filters on YouTube Shorts. Filters can make your videos look better and more fun. They can change the colors and mood of your clips. Adding filters is easy and only takes a few simple steps. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on the plus button located at the bottom center of your screen. Now, ensure that the short option is selected. Now it's time to either record a new short video or upload one from your camera roll. To record, simply press and hold the capture button. Once you've recorded or uploaded your video, take a look at the right side of your screen, where you'll find various editing options. Tap on the downward arrow to reveal more features. Among these options, locate and tap on Filters. You'll see a range of available filters that can change the look and feel of your video dramatically. Once you've chosen a filter, use the slider provided to adjust how much of that filter effect you want in your video. When everything looks good and feels just right, tap Done to apply those changes. But wait, there's more. After applying filters, feel free to explore other editing features such as effects, green screen, trim, and more. When you're satisfied with all edits, proceed to upload your short as you normally would. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.